Good morning students. Today we will discuss about divisibility test of 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. Let's discuss one by one. Okay students, let's discuss about divisibility test of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Let's take an example 78. Here the ones place digit is 8 which is even. And one more example 3470 and 0 is at the ones place again. So it is also divisible by 2. Okay, now divisibility rule of 3 means divisibility test of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let's take an example 75. Here the sum of digits 7 and 5 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3 is equal to 4 and there is no remainder left. So it is divisible by 3. Let's take one more example 369 and the sum of all digits are 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 is also divisible by 3 which is visible in this example. So this is the rule of divisibility of 3. Now divisibility test of 5. If the number ends in 0 or the last digit is 5, then the number is divisible by 5. In this example, 99 is not divisible by 5 because it doesn't end in 0 or 5. 875 is divisible by 5 because it ends with 5. So this is the divisibility test by 5. Okay, students, let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 9, which is quite similar to 3. The rule is a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. In this example, 963, the sum of digits are 9 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9, which is shown in the example. So this is the rule of 9. Now let's learn about divisibility test of 10. If one's place digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, 50, 650, 920. In these all numbers has 0 at one's place. So these all numbers are divisible by 10. Some divisibility test of 4, 8, 6 and 11. Let's discuss one by one. Okay students, let's first discuss about divisibility test by 4. The rule of this test is the last two digits are divisible by 4. For example, in 1324, the last two digits are 24, which is divisible by 4. Another example, 4720. Here the last two digits are 20. That is 20, which is also divisible by 4. Okay, let's discuss now about the rule for divisibility by 8. Here the students, the last three digits form a number divisible by 8. In the example, 19,640. Last three digits are 640. And when we divide 640 by 8, it is completely divisible by 8. Since 8 evenly divides 640, so this number is divisible by 8. Now rule for divisibility by 6. the number must be divisible by 2 and by 3 both. Look at the example. Here the number is 375. If we take the 375 and apply divisibility test of 3 at that number, the sum of digits is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. But when we divide the number by 2, here the last digit is 5. So it is odd number. So it cannot be divisible by 2. The test tells us that number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 3 but not by 2. So this number cannot be divisible by 6. Okay students, finally the rule for divisibility by 11. The rule is a number passes the test for 11 if the difference of the sum of alternating digits is divisible by 11. This abstract and confusing sounding rule is much clearer with a few examples. So let's take an example. Here the number is 10,813, and when we add the alternative digits 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and when we take the difference of these sums, the answer is 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So the complete number, that is 10,813, is divisible by 11.